Alright everyone, it is May 6th at 7 o'clock in the morning. Got all my stuff ready. My friend Luke and I are heading down to Columbus. He's going to be here in like a couple minutes. We're going to go pre-fish today on Elm Creek for the SAF Student Angler Federation High School Tournament that is taking place tomorrow on May 7th.
Boaters here today.
Alright everyone, I got my first fish of the day. We've been really struggling out here. How many hours have we spent out here?
Too many.
9 and it's like
too many.
We've spent like 6 hours out here without a bite. Luke's dad just figured out what we need to do to catch these fish. And turns out, shake your head. So, there he is.
Back to the basics.
Good looking fish. We're gonna get him back, catch him tomorrow. We just got to the hotel. We're setting the boat up, charge it. There's 2 ponds right by our hotel, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go get our stuff in there right now. So yeah. Me and Luke are out here setting up our rod and reels. Picked up some basic cabela's today during the rules meeting. I picked up some 5-inch Gary Yamamoto green pumpkin Senkos. Picked up like a small peanut butter and jelly football jig, some weighted wacky hooks, and some spot remover shaky head jig heads. Me and Luke just got done setting up all our rods. Got everything rigged up for the morning. We're gonna cover up the boat and head over to McDonald's to get something to eat. Head to bed, get ready for the tournament in the morning.
No, let's just take the camera off now.
Okay, we'll get there.
From the People's High School, the Indians, Daniel Smith. No award for 37. 38, where are you, 38? I see you. Make the turn. Follow that aluminum boat right in front of you. 38 out of Cincinnati Youth Basketball Club, Alex Redwine. Dan Heckler, boat 38. Now, it's not the fast club.
Good shot.
Alright everyone, got the second keeper of the day. Luke got one, but I didn't get it on tape. Going in the wide well now. Yes.
3 more.
We need 3 more now?
Wait till I did that.
Third keeper. 2 more to go. 4th keeper, right here.
Yeah, he'll be good. Keep his mouth shut up and
We got so many shorts.
it's in the same one. Same.
Short. Let's go.
Let's go. Yay. That was a perfect pick.
Flip it open.
Flip it open for you.
One more. It is. Keeper.
Yes.
Bro, we got a limit. We freaking got a limit. Let's go.
What's up? Limit. Limit.
Okay.
There he goes.
He's peeing. He almost peed on me.
Gavin, let's go back with him. Grab him. And you can grab him off.
I didn't hear a little closer. Not a giant, but he's one. Anybody want to add? All right, good job, Joe. Appreciate you coming out. You're on the board, man. Good work today.
36, 5 fish alive.
36, got a 5 bass limit. Luke Haymaker, Gavin Schultz, primetime bass anglers, and also one of you is from Jackson High School around the Canton area, right? All right, 5 fish today, man. You got to be pretty excited about that. Yeah, let's see what we got here. 5 fish limit today. Great work today. They must all be the same size because it's 6 pounds, 9 ounces on a 5 bass limit. We're going to give them a drink of water here today. Man, you got 5 though. Great work. How'd you catch them?
We were fishing slow, and that's shaky head,
Shaky, what color did you have on there?
green pumpkin.
Green pumpkin. Pretty popular color this time of year.
Yeah.
All right, now, did you catch any short fish or did you cull any today?
Yeah, we caught 4 short fish.
4 short ones, huh? You've had a pretty good day. You went out with your buddy. You caught 9 fish. Your boat captain probably told you a joke or two. If I'm not mistaken, you were fishing out of a crest liner today. Is that right? I used to be a crest liner dealer, so I appreciate that. Anybody you guys want to thank?
My dad for taking us out, the captain, my mom for letting us come out here, and the school for yesterday and fish.
Deserves a happy Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
Happy.
Good call there. Anybody you want to add?
My parents and Luke's dad for taking us out here and being our boat captain.
All right, great call, gentlemen. Good work today. 5 bass limit. By the way, grab a couple of Berkeley baits. You did a great job. Great job today taking care of your fish. What do we got, Steve? Boat 30's got 3. Austin Spriggs, Parker Jacobs, Scioto County Career Center. All right, 3 in there today. That one's a nice one. That one's a good one. Man, we're going to weigh that one up. Look here. Look at that. Paparazzi coming in here. That's like Fashion Week in Paris, isn't it? All right, 3 fish today. Let's see what they weigh. Very respectable. 5 pounds, 5 ounces, 5'5".